What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So in the new issue of Inside, the Harmony operating system interface for the Huawei tablet was shown. Named the alleged characteristics of the flagship, the new budget employed Nokia C20 has been certified. The final flagship, LG V70 real machine exposed on the network. There is still hope for listing LG rollable scrolling screen phone real machine exposure and much more. Please watch the full video content. Number 1. Harmony operating system interface for Huawei tablet showed in the screenshot. Huawei has not yet revealed the date of the presentation of the new branded tablet, MatePad Pro 2, but insiders have already published a screenshot allegedly taken on the device. According to the report, the new product will run the proprietary Harmony operating system out of the box. Judging by the image, the original dual taskbar at the bottom of the screen will become a feature of the tablet firmware. In part, it resembles a similar solution for Apple for Mac operating system. It is expected that Huawei will release two versions of the device at once, with a display diagonal of 12.2 and 12.6 inches. Technical details and the price for the upcoming novelty are still unknown. Number 2. Named the alleged characteristics of the flagship Vivo Nex 5. According to network informants, the new Vivo Nex series smartphone will receive an LG-made display with an integrated front camera. In addition, the device is credited with supporting fast 120-watt wired and 60-watt wireless charging. Finally, the smartphone is rumored to be protected from dust and water according to the IP68 standard. The estimated date of the announcement is known. The successor to the Nex 3 5G, according to insiders, will be presented in the second half of 2021. Number 3. New budget employ. Nokia passed certification. On the eve of the presentation, which will be held on April 8, Nokia certified the Nokia C20 smartphone. It was seen in the Bluetooth SIG regulators database. It is noteworthy that the document lists 4 devices modifications at once: TA1352, TA1356, TA1339, and TA1348. The technical characteristics of the new items were not disclosed, but according to available data, it will be built on the basis of the Unisonic platform processor, which will receive 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal flash memory. The retail prices of the Nokia C20 is expected to be around €90. Number 4. The final flagship, LG V70 real machine exposure. LG announced this week that it will shut down its mobile phone business before July 31 and will no longer produce and sell mobile phones. However, recently, a new LG phone firmware appeared on the LG mobile phone database, named LG V70, and a rendering of the phone appeared on the network. The reporter Tron exposed the real shot of the LG V70 and said that the previous renderings were made by Korean citizens and the configuration is not as high as previously circulated. Number 5. There is still hope for listing LG rollable scrolling screen phone real machine exposure. LG preheated a mobile phone called LG Rollable at CES, which is the first mobile phone with a scroll screen form. But as LG announced its withdrawal from the mobile phone business, this is very creative mobile phone. This phone has passed the radio certification in South Korea, or hints that there is the hope for listing. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.